Hello children, in last video we have learned about water and solubility. Take some water in a glass, mark the water level with a marker pen. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar to the water and stir it well with a spoon. You can observe the sugar completely dissolves in water. Note the water level in the glass. It remains the same. This shows that the volume of the water remains the same even after dissolving sugar in it. It indicates that the molecules in a liquid are not very closely packed. There are empty spaces among the liquid molecules. When sugar is dissolved in water, sugar molecules fill the empty spaces among the molecules of water. So, the water level in the glass remains the same. Rain is the purest form of water. Water in wells, rivers and lakes have many impurities. These impurities may be soluble or insoluble and may contain disease-causing germs. So, water must be purified before use. Here, we will discuss few methods. When water is allowed to stand undisturbed for few hours, insoluble impurities will settle down at the bottom of the container. This process is called sedimentation. After that, this clear water is poured very gently into another container without disturbing the settled impurities. This is called decantation. This clear water may also contain many impurities and germs. In this process, water is passed through a filter paper. The impurities get collected over the filter paper and are called residue. The clear liquid that filters out in a separate container is called filtrate. We can use a strainer or a muslin cloth to filter things at home. Water on the surface of the earth also get filtered through layers of soil and get collected as underground water. This is the simplest and safest method to purify water. In this method, water should be boiled for at least 10 to 15 minutes to kill all the germs present in it. The boiled water should be stored in clean and covered vessels. Germs present in water can be killed by adding chlorine in the form of tablets or any other form. The process of adding chlorine in water to kill germs is called chlorination.